What's up, beautiful people? It is Vlogmas day 3, and today we are going to be doing another DIY. We're going to be using 2 things from Dollar Tree and 1 thing from Amazon. I know this you cannot get from Dollar Tree, or maybe there's a dupe for it. If there is, comment below, let me know what it is. And without further ado, we are going to be making or zhuzhing up this regular, it comes in this color tray from Dollar Tree. What I used was the Dollar Tree paint, the gold leaf, and then the tray from Dollar Tree, and of course a brush. If you have one, you don't need to purchase it, but Dollar Tree does have those as well. $1 for a packet of, I think, 4 or 5 in there. In any event, I'm not going to tell you just what I'm going to be using it for just yet, but you see it, you see the size. It's a pretty decent size. My hand is not too big, but not too small as well. But you know, whatever you want to use it for, you know, if you like what you see, stay tuned, and so I can show you how to make it. Also, I just wanted to point out that on my way to work, I walk to work normally for my mode of exercise, and I saw a couple houses that I totally love. It seems that we are not the only ones in full effect in feeling the season, and everyone is putting out their decorations, and everything is looking so beautiful. Even the ones that are very minimal is still very cute, and I am loving it so far. I'm gonna also insert some of those clips for on my walk to work, what I've seen. There is one that is absolutely stunning, and I'm guessing it's a woman. If it's a man, all more power to you, honey. But that house is known. If you're from Brooklyn, or if you've ever drove past this block, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But it's a nutcracker house where the owner puts out nothing but nutcrackers. This year, he or she has branched off and put a couple Santas on there, but still absolutely stunning house. It looks better at night. However, I left work early today, so I wasn't able to capture that, but I'm hoping that I'm able to put a bit of that once it's lit up at night for you here so you can see it. Anyways, back to the DIY. Y'all want to see actual Christmas spirit? Boom. Now tell me this is not it. Tell me this ain't it, y'all. Is the neighbors can't even compete, okay? They ain't even bother to decorate. This one still got her pumpkin up. Now I do notice some new things because this homeowner does this every year. This Santa is new for sure. Little gingerbread. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. I hope you had fun with this DIY. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.